The Petal 2 card charges a $0 annual fee, offers cash back, and doesn't require a security deposit. That puts it in a very different category from most credit-building cards in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know what the Petal card actually costs, where fees can still hit you, and whether it's worth applying for. Here's the direct answer. The Petal 2 Visa has no annual fee. That means you can keep the account open without paying just to hold it. Unlike secured cards from Capital One or Discover, there's also no security deposit. That lowers the upfront cost to zero. That's the biggest reason Petal stands out. Section 1. What you still pay for. No annual fee does not mean no costs. If you carry a balance, interest applies. Petal's variable APR depends on approval and credit profile. That number matters because carrying debt can turn a free card into an expensive one fast. Petal also charges late fees in some cases, depending on the account terms. Paying your full statement balance every month keeps the card cheap. That's the simplest rule. Section 2. What makes Petal different? Petal uses more than just your credit score. It can look at cash flow, income, and banking history during approval. That makes it easier for people with thin credit files. This makes Petal closer to Chime or Arrow in approval style, but with real unsecured spending power. That's a major difference. Petal 2 also offers cash back starting at 1% and increasing up to 1.5% after on-time payments. That gives it more long-term value than most beginner cards. Section 3. Is it worth applying? If you want a starter card without locking up cash in a deposit, Petal is one of the better options. That's especially true if your credit history is short, but your income is stable. If your credit is heavily damaged, approval may still be harder than secured cards. Quick recap. Petal charges $0 annual fee. There's no security deposit. The main costs come from interest and possible late fees. Your next step is simple. Check pre-qualification first so you can see your odds without hurting your credit. If this helped you break down the real cost, like the video and subscribe.